I know where I am.
Not us, your camera.
I know where I am. Brazil.
And the producer's giving me the stock items: water bottle, matches, yarn. Okay, so I want to knit myself a sweater. But it's the 3 personal items they let me bring. It's gonna make it a piece of cake for me to survive out here and win the competition. Behold, my reading glasses, which may seem ridiculous at first, until you see this. In 7 seasons, no one has been smart enough to bring this. The answer to any problem anywhere in the world. You need to make a medicinal poultice out of ground up yellow jacket anuses, page 56. You need to know how to sexually intimidate a Portuguese man of war, chapter 4. You need to make a hurricane-resistant shelter with nothing but the clothes on your back. Well, I forget what chapter that is, but trust me, it's in there somewhere. With this book, there's literally no way I can fail. And finally, the piece de resistance, to never lose touch with my humanity and to stave off scurvy. Nature's Ambrosia. My mother always said that dessert was the only thing that separated us from the animals. Well, that and thumbs, which she was tragically lacking.
Remember, kids, always go green. Recycling will save the planet.
According to my survival Bible, the first order of business is to set up camp. The striking of this match symbolizes igniting the fuse of my journey from the darkness of the unknown into the illumination of being one with nature. As soon as my Neanderthal instincts kick in, what? No! God!
Doesn't even matter. It's all right up here.
Not bad, actually. Kind of a citrusy, schnapsy kind of flavor.
Well, time to erect my shelter. Nothing but the clothes on my back. Nailed it. Hurricane-proof, bitches.
What the shit is that?
So, apparently, south of the equator, there are these huge spiders that seem to feed on the more moist, delicate regions of the human anatomy, that the parts that secrete, basically they drink ball sweat. And but who needs books when you got straight up knowledge, dog? This mofo is for real, faux show. Yo. That breeze feels divine.
Rogue winds are seemingly more common in Brazil than I recalled, but third times are...
I come in peace.
Laut Durst.
Oh my God. I was wrong. I'm in Germany.